So we start off today's video with this amazing haircut transformation. Now the stylist is obviously doing a bob for this one. Loving the baby bangs and the front of her hair, the color combination. This is just an unreal hairstyle idea. Wow, so fashion forward. Very nice. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So the stylist does consult his client for the next one. Looks like he's going to be doing more of like a layered hairstyle. Very popular hair trend for 2023. And this is a great way to change your hair without doing anything too drastic. Next up, we see someone with long waist-length hair. Oh, looks like she's gonna do a big chop. The hair has been sectioned and braided. Wow, beautiful mini bob makeover. Very nice. This looks gorgeous. And it also features a bit of an undercut there going on the side. Beautifully done. Next up, it looks like we have a cut refresh. And the stylist does a nice pixie bob haircut. Beautiful. Nice modern makeover. So here we have someone with mid-length hair. Looks like the stylist is gonna do a bob for this one. Oh, he added some curtain bangs to frame out the face. Very nice. Now this is a great option and haircut idea, especially if you have hair on the thinner side. Those curtain bangs are definitely going to give you some volume. Beautifully done. So next up we have someone who has this really pretty hair color, blonde in the front and then reddish in the back. And the stylist is going to be cutting in some layers. Now this is kind of a play on the reverse money piece highlight trend if you're curious about the color. Gorgeous. Love this idea. And then we have someone getting an asymmetrical pixie style. So the stylist not only cuts the hair, but mixes in some color. Very nice. I love the shape and texture of this pixie. Beautiful. And those highlights mixed in are very subtle. She looks great. Next up, we have another hair transformation. So it looks like she's in for a cut refresh. Ooh, she's getting her makeup done. And it looks like the stylist is doing a nice pixie cut for this one. Oh, very nice shape and texture with the cutting. I love it. Alright, you guys, I hope you were able to find some major hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.